Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to every student's heart: group study. Whether you're a high school student, a college student, or someone who loves to learn, you've probably wondered at some point whether studying with others is really worth it. In this video, we'll explore the amazing benefits of group study and answer some essential questions like: is group study more effective than studying alone? How can group study improve your retention of information? What are the social and emotional benefits of studying together? Tips for productive and engaging group study sessions. Let's get started. Here are some of the key benefits of group study. Diverse perspectives. Group study allows you to collaborate with peers who may have different viewpoints, approaches, and understanding of the material. This diversity can lead to a more comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Enhanced learning. Explaining concepts to others in the group forces you to grasp them better yourself. Teaching and discussing topics with your study group can reinforce your knowledge and improve your retention. Motivation. Studying with others can boost your motivation and discipline. Group members can encourage each other to stay on track, meet deadlines, and maintain a consistent study schedule. Efficient problem solving. Group study enables you to tackle complex problems and assignments together. Sharing ideas and approaches can lead to quicker and more effective problem solving. Improved communication skills. Group study helps enhance your communication skills, as you need to articulate your thoughts clearly and listen actively to your peers' perspectives. These skills are valuable in academics and real-life situations. Enhanced memory. Discussing and debating topics within a group can stimulate your memory. The act of recalling and explaining information can strengthen your long-term retention of the material. Support system. Group study provides emotional support and a sense of camaraderie. You can lean on your peers for assistance when you're struggling, reducing stress and anxiety related to studying. Time management. Collaborating with others necessitates good time management skills. You'll need to plan study sessions, set goals, and allocate time effectively to maximize productivity. Exploration of different study techniques. Within a study group, you can experiment with various study techniques and strategies suggested by different members. This helps you discover what works best for you. Social interaction. Studying in a group can be a social experience, offering a break from solitary studying. It can help combat feelings of isolation and loneliness that can sometimes accompany long hours of individual study. Preparation for real-world collaboration. Group study simulates real-world collaboration and teamwork skills, which are highly valued in professional settings. Increased accountability. Being part of a group can hold you accountable for your study commitments. You're less likely to procrastinate when you know others are relying on you. Remember that the effectiveness of group study can vary depending on the group's dynamics. So it's essential to choose study partners who are committed and focused on the same academic goals. Finding the right balance between group study and individual study is crucial to ensure you derive the maximum benefit from both approaches. And there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of group study laid out for you. I hope this video has shed some light on why studying with others can be a game changer for your academic journey.